Welcome to my channel.
Samsung Galaxy S23 tipped to pack larger battery than Galaxy S22. Samsung Galaxy S23 series is expected to be launched early next year. The smartphone family that is said to include three models, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra, is yet to be confirmed by the South Korean smartphone maker, even though we are seeing multiple leaks about the upcoming devices. Now, a Chinese tipster has suggested the battery and display specifications of the vanilla Galaxy S23. It could feature a 3,900 mAh battery, which is an upgrade over the predecessor Galaxy S22. Further, it is said to come with a 6.1-inch Full HD display, similar to its predecessor. Tipster Digital Chat Station on Weibo posted alleged specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S23. According to the tipster, the upcoming phone will have a 3,900 mAh battery. If this turns out to be true, this would be an upgrade over the 3,700 mAh battery of the Galaxy S22. The upcoming handset is said to include a 6.1-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. Similar to the previous vanilla flagship, it could offer 25W fast charging support as well. Samsung is speculated to unveil the Galaxy S23 series in either January or February next year. All three handsets of the Galaxy S23 series are said to come in beige, black, green, and light pink color options. As per a prior leak, the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus are expected to sport 12-megapixel ultra-wide cameras. The Galaxy S23 Plus could come with 4,700 mAh battery, whereas the Galaxy S23 Ultra is said to get a 5,000 mAh battery. The upcoming phones could be powered by Exynos 2300 SoC. Samsung is expected to pack the unannounced 200-megapixel isoscel HP2 camera sensor on the Ultra model. The Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus are expected to launch with support for 25W fast charging. The Galaxy S23 models will succeed the Galaxy S22 variants of this year. India-specific Samsung Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra run Android 12 and are powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC.